Hi guys, what's up? We're here with one of our hope happy customer, right?
Usually, yes.
She's a happy customer. What's your name, please?
Candice.
Candice. Candice, we want to thank you so much. On behalf of the company, thank you so much for shipping your items with us. And we're happy to come and deliver it to you, right? So right now, we're actually not delivering to your original location. We're flexible enough to come
And meet me where I am.
and get your
Yes.
get your package delivered. Yep. All right, cool. All right, so again, on behalf of the company, thank you so much. And you like the service, right?
Absolutely, yes.
All right, would you recommend us?
Absolutely, I have.
All right, you hear that, guys? She has recommended us and she loves the service. Thank you so much again. All right, we're going to get you out of the sun now and get your package to you. Where's your package? Where's the latest package? Where's the latest package? Guys, the delivery man is organizing his next delivery, all right? So Fabian, please go ahead, do your business. Thank you so much, here, Candy. All right, tell them bye for me. Tell them bye. All right, thank you so much, take care. All right, guys, you see it? Another happy customer. We are flexible enough to find you where you are to deliver your packages. Right now, we're on Manisdale Road, Havendale, and we're here. We're delivering our packages to you. Make sure that you get your packages delivered wherever you are. We'll come find you, give you your packages. All right? So, guys, there's a link somewhere here. Click on the link. You see that in the description box. Or there's a link on the screen. Click on it. Join us today. We're the ones that are going to ship your items from overseas, get them to you, deliver to you here in Jamaica. All right? So we're here. We're on the trail. We're gone again to make another customer happy. So bye, guys. Bye.